Hi, good morning. This is Boyd Stu, and this is my latest model of what I call my Trom-Boyn. As you notice, this is my pilot valve and piston in here. This is my trigger, and this is my barrel. My barrel swings out, and it's not going to, and I can load. This is my new style dart. It's got 2 layers and for strength. So the first thing I do is I inspect. I look down the barrel, make sure it's clear. I insert my dart. I swing it around, pointing it downrange. I insert it. Now notice it's sort of upside down. This almost looks like a telescope. And the reason for that is when I tightened this, it came out 180 degrees from where I wanted it. I wanted it originally like this. It came out like this, and I like it this way. So it's very, very nice. I can hold it like this. Now I'm going to fire it. Show the firing. Show the muzzle rather than the... Okay, look down, all right? And there it is.